Well, folks, so been given access by a local farmer to come and explore a very ancient woodland. So it's going to be very interesting, and obviously the weather is normal, just wet, horrible, but it's what it is. So yeah, going to go and explore this forest, looking at it ideally for somewhere where we can either do wild camping or some kind of woodland wellness kind of getaways, and just get back to a little bit of basics, bit of nature and no technology. Definitely the path not trodden very often, if ever.